Okay, and there is this my triangle, and this is really new Toyota car, and there we have this triangle, and we can order this device in USA using that part number and from Toyota dealership center. It is Toyota accessories, but normally we have these devices in our new car. Okay, and then interesting thing, how I can use this my Toyota warning triangle. Firstly, there is idea that I have to open this package in that way, and now we have this triangle in here, and then I have to assemble this, and there are instructions, and this main idea is to connect these devices. There is this bolt what becomes in here, that we have triangle in our hand, and there is this my triangle, and now I drop that ground, but normally this belongs in ground. And next step is to install this support, these wheels and items this way, and this purpose is to keep this my triangle in ground in that way. This is installation position. Okay, and this is this purpose that we assemble this device in that kind of shape. This is this thing. And now we have 4 support these frames in here, and this part and this tool purpose is that we have to install this device quite far away in our emergency position and place and our car. If we have like situation and issue that our car stops in highway 101 in San Francisco night time, we have to install this device. Where is this illumination area? Look, there is 2 devices. This part is not face to another drivers. This is like to install like parking rear lights idea in very about 100 yards, or we have in this installation there is text that they recommend that this is about 200 to 400 yards away in our car or this emergency place, and we install this position in road, same position like in some parking car, and when we have night time, these parts they illuminate this light like in that way. They have this nice this mirror in there, and this purpose is to warn another drivers that they don't drive against our stopping car. And if we install this device in road, it is like in same position like our car in this side area in road, but like 200 yards before of this position. When cars are driving in this direction, that they can see this warning triangle in the side of road, and our car is then in here like 200 yards or 200 meters away. This is this tool's purpose. This is like early warning system to another drivers that they don't drive through and against to us when we are in this emergency position near of this our stopping car. Okay, this is this information, and I hope that you can now use this triangle. This is only like red warning message that hey, now there is something in front, stops and speed down your car speed. Okay, and see you in next movie and be happy, my friend.